What's going on, everyone? This is Dom, and today we are talking about the Galaxy S10 and basically everything we know about it up to this point. I mean, the announcement is right around the corner, happening February 20th, and I'll definitely be in attendance to give you guys some coverage on that, but at this point, I mean, we kind of know a lot about the device, so let's get into it. So it said that there's going to be 3 devices this year, 3 Galaxy S models. We have the Galaxy S10 Lite with a 5.8-inch display, the Galaxy S10 with a 6.1-inch display, and the Galaxy S10 Plus with a 6.4-inch display. And they are codenamed Beyond 0, Beyond 1, and Beyond 2, respectively. Also, thanks to EvLeaks, we have an official photo of the Galaxy S10 and what the front side will look like. And he also mentions that, like the Mate 20 Pro, we're going to be able to wirelessly charge other devices from the Galaxy S10, which is definitely a welcomed feature. But regardless of all that, there are some things that are definitely certain about the Galaxy S10 and all of its brothers and sisters there. We're gonna have the Infinity O display. Yes, that's the hole punch display. Like it or hate it, it's coming. I don't know, let me know in the comment section. Do you prefer a notch or a hole punch display? Samsung's A8s smartphone is actually the first phone in the Samsung family to have this new hole punch display, and I actually think it looks all right. I'm personally not offended by it at all. But when you look at leaks and renders of the S10 Plus, and actually there was a very specific leaked photo of the S10 Plus, it actually shows dual front-facing cameras. And to be honest, I don't know why that's necessary. Like, why do we keep adding more cameras? I mean, look at the Pixel 2 and the Pixel 3. Those cameras are amazing and they do everything else perfectly fine. It's also said that the Galaxy S10 lineup is going to have an in-display fingerprint sensor, and I don't find that hard to believe. That's definitely gonna happen. But there's this smaller case manufacturer that says that they've actually tried their cases and accessories with the S10 and say that screen protectors basically prevent the in-display fingerprint sensor from working. And it seems kind of odd. I mean, like, everybody else has been able to figure it out. Certainly Samsung would. They're like the king of displays, basically. On top of all that, we even have Geekbench scores from an S10 model with a Snapdragon 855. And I mean, you can't really argue with results there. It definitely is going to be a powerful smartphone. We're gonna have Samsung's new One UI on there. I mean, aside from the front side of the display, the design is probably going to be relatively the same as we've seen. I mean, there's no sense in changing something that's not broken. Of course, we will have possibly a triple camera setup on the back. I feel like if you're gonna add another camera, make it a wide angle lens, because I love what LG does with their wide angle lenses on the back of their smartphones. It just creates some really cool shots. Anyway, with all of this knowledge at your fingertips now, what do you think about the Galaxy S10? Is this a cop or a flop? I mean, I think that all of this hype around the Galaxy S10 is definitely warranted. Let me know what you think about all this information in the comments section below, and if you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave it a thumbs up and also subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're the first to be notified when my Galaxy S10 review drops in the near future. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. This is Dom, and I'll catch you in the next video.